Overwhelmed by scattered ideas, messy to-do lists, or projects that just never seem to come together, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down one of the best mind mapping tools out there, Xmind. Whether you're a student, a planner, or a business owner, this tool might completely change the way you organize your brain. Let's get straight into what Xmind actually does. Xmind is a visual mind mapping tool that helps you transform random thoughts into a clear, structured plan. Think of it as a digital brain canvas. You begin with one central idea, maybe getting fit, launching a business, or planning a new project. From there, you branch into smaller tasks and concepts. And the best part is how naturally everything flows. With simple drag and drop controls, your map grows and reshapes itself as your ideas evolve. Now, what makes Xmind stand out? First, the templates. If you don't want to start from a blank screen, Xmind gives you ready-made layouts for brainstorming, goal setting, project planning, and much more. Just pick a format, swap the text, and you're ready to go. Next is design customization. You can tweak colors, fonts, backgrounds, and even switch between different map layouts. This is incredibly useful if you prefer your workspace to match your style, or if you need to present your ideas in a polished, visually appealing way. For bigger projects, Xmind lets you create multiple sheets. Instead of dumping everything into one massive map, you can break it into smaller, connected sections. It keeps your work clean, organized, and easier to navigate. One of the most impressive upgrades is the built-in AI assistant. It can help you generate fresh ideas, suggest entire map structures, and even mask sensitive information when you're sharing your map publicly. It saves time, boosts creativity, and adds an extra layer of security. Once your map is ready, Xmind's presentation mode turns it into a smooth, slide-style walkthrough. It's perfect for meetings, team discussions, class presentations, or pitching ideas. You can also publish and share your maps online, use hashtags, browse inspiration from others, and even earn rewards for your creations. So, is Xmind the best mind mapping tool? If you want something fast, flexible, visually clean, and powered by AI, it's definitely one of the top choices available today. If you enjoyed this review and want more tool breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what tool you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy using!